Put it underneath.
And what's this system called?
Cruvinet.
Cruvinet?
Cruvinet.
Cruvinet.
C-R-U-V-I-N-E.
And we do what? We pour how much wine?
Yeah, you pour half-ounce sample, or just a small sample. You can put small sample. You don't have to put half-ounce. Small sample of most of our products are the ones that are in there right now.
Okay. That doesn't film very well. Okay.
Doing free samples. People see these machines and they think of the Winter Park one,
Right.
where you buy the card for a couple bucks and then you put an account on it.
Well, you're
So, you know, it has yesterday.
but what we've got is a very small selection of some of our best wines, and they just basically they look for a manager or for you, the wine consultant,
For the
and they
wine
say, this is what I want to try.
For the wine consultant or the manager on duty, they come in. We're going to change these out as often as we can, and hopefully we'll be changing them out often. They'll be empty. The quicker we get them empty, the more variety we're going to have in these machines.
All right, so this is kind of a trial run to see how it goes.
Yes.
And we've got some good stuff in there. We've got Anticipation.
So Letitia.
Letitia
one of
Pinot
the better
Noir.
bottles of Pinot Noir and the infamous block wines.
Oh, they're not infamous, they're famous. There's a difference. And we've got, I see some Jackie Chardonnay, which is very nice. And
Nice
in a,
Burgundy Chardonnay from France.
okay.
Sonoma Ridge and a nice Italian Bartolino in there right now.
Okay, so we've got mostly white, mostly reds, but a couple of whites in here. And just come in and try.
The big push is
Very cool, thank you.
Yep.